What's up, KoKo squad? You know it's your boy K.o.K.o out here in Hargeisa, Somaliland right now. Just at Mansoor Hotel for an event for Get in the Ring. I'm not sure if you've heard of Get in the Ring. It's an entrepreneurship event that they're holding here today. So I've been invited to come check it out, vlog it, see what's about.
One thing the Somalis know how to do right, they feed you.
What's up, guys? So yeah, I just wanted to come out here quickly, just give you a quick. One of my friends actually, he's got a really interesting idea called Lebes Box, and actually I think he's over here right now.
Yeah,
so he's
yeah.
What's up?
How you doing?
What's up, man? How you doing?
Good?
You alright?
Yeah.
So this is my main man right here with the idea called Lebes
Hi,
Box. He's gonna introduce himself. Go on.
My name's Yasser, and the company is about like a Lebes box. Lebes. Lebes means like it's a dress box.
Yeah.
And the idea is about like creating different designs of boxes and putting in a box. So there is too many boxes in there. Jean box, wedding box, date box if you wanted, casual box if you want to, streetwear box, you can get anything you want. So Lebes box is all about helping the community and answering their desire of their choice of style and fashion, and I hope it will help a lot of people and get benefit of it. So let's do it.
Yeah, let's do this.
Yeah.
I think it's gonna be it's a great idea.
Yeah.
It's very hard to pick an outfit, you know, at times.
Yeah.
So Hargeisa, this is the first idea out here.
Yeah.
So I think it's really good.
Yeah.
So how long have you been doing it for now?
Actually, we're doing for the last 2.5 years. We started as a wholesale. Right now, we're running a retail store. We opened our first retail shop in Hargeisa downtown.
Downtown,
which is
way.
very amazing and helping people. And our business is helping two major things. We're helping people to get their right choice, their desire, and we're saving time, which is very important.
Time is money, of course.
Time is money. So Lebes Box will be a brand for whole Somali people, and it will be a legacy for us to make our own clothes, you know?
Yeah.
So there's a lot of vision in there.
I got a question for you.
All right.
Now, I know, because all here, like we're all trying to dress, you know, shirts and, you know, nice, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
But the question is, have you got Somali outfits on there? Have you got that ma'oos? Have you got that hat? You know, that's the real question. Have you got that box? I want the Somali box.
This will be like a culture box.
Culture box.
So
okay,
there's
that's
too many boxes out there, like Jum'ah box. There's a khamis, imama, tusbah, and shoes. Yeah, which is very interesting.
Yeah.
And we are already planning a culture box about like ma'awiz, shalka. You know, there's too many things like bakhorat diyaret, kabihi. The idea is very wide and it's very unique. And I have that great team who are very passionate to take this idea to the next level, and we are planning to do a lot of things right now. So guys, no more talk. Let's do the job.
Let's do action.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, let's do this. Peace, blessings, ski ski.